We got the brand new GTI over here, guys. Take a look at this system. Fully bolt-on. It's an MBRP system. We're gonna lay it all out. I'll show you the finished result. Comes with these tips. Let's check out what the customer wanted. This MBRP system is great, guys. Bolt-on. You could always bring it to your local exhaust shop or do it yourself in the garage, but it'll be a little tedious. You need the proper jack stands, etc. Check out these tips though, these look good. They're not double wall, but it kind of gives it a way better look. It's your preference though. I think they come in multiple colors. You can get burnt chrome, you can get black. These are just traditional chrome. Let me throw them up there, show you how it looks. See the difference? What do you think? We have one of our best fabricators in Florida doing this job right here, Marcelo. He's removing the muffler and the entire system. Let's start in the front. A lot of you guys want to know, from the front all the way back how it looks like. So I got a lot of requests for that in the comments. Here's a stock downpipe. I believe this thing is brand new. Nothing has been done. We have the resonator right here, which will be removed with that system. Also in the back, the muffler that Marcelo is removing will also be replaced with that little bullet that you see on the floor right there. Check that out. Guys, it should sound more aggressive. If you want like massive pops and bangs though, always throw on that downpipe, get the tune. It'll sound crazy. Go one step at a time, you know what I mean? Especially if it's stock. I don't know if you want to go downpipe tune right away with like, 1,000, 2,000 miles. Break in the car a little bit. But after this job is done, we're gonna let you hear it. And I'll show you the finished product. Let's go check in with Marcelo's progress over here. As you can see, he's halfway through with this. That's why it'll be difficult if you guys try to do this in your driveway. Come to Gexhaust if you're in South Florida. We have 2 locations, Davie and Oakland Park. But you know how difficult this will be if you're under your fucking jack stands in your driveway, guys? Like, come on, bring it to your local exhaust shop. Make sure they're qualified. See the work they do. Check out their reviews. Check out our reviews. We have great reviews, over 1,000 5-star reviews. That's how it should be. All right, Marcel, do you have any issues with this so far?
No, everything's going smoothly.
All right. All right, so we're done with the system. Marcelo finished up everything. Check it out, guys. Let's start from the front over here. Again, completely bolt on. As you can see, it just goes all the way back. Over here, we have that backfire reducer. So it kind of absorbs that backfire. I don't know if you want something like that. Obviously, it'll reduce the pops and bangs a little bit. If you have a downpipe, maybe it'll be a little bit better. But I don't know, personally, maybe it's not my style. I wanted to get as loud as possible. In the back, as you can see, those chrome MBRP tips look really, really good right there. So we're gonna bring it down and let you guys hear it. Let me know what you think in the comments.